Hello everyone. Today's subject is about understanding the etc directory in Linux. My name is Osama Ghazal. I'm a computer science student at the College of PTUK. Introduction. Thank you all for joining me today. In this presentation, we are going to explore the etc directory in Linux. This directory is a cornerstone of the Linux operating system, housing essential configuration files that detect how the system operates. Understanding the etc directory is crucial for anyone looking to manage or administrate a Linux system eventually. The etc directory is not just a simple folder, it's where the magic happens. It contains the settings that control everything from user account to system services. So let's dive in and reveal the mysteries of the etc directory together. What is etc directory? etc directory is a standard directory in Linux that contain configuration file for the system and application. Unlike user data, which is stored in home direct, the etc directory hold file that controls system behavior and settings is essentially it where the system configuration live. To give you a better idea, think of the etc directory as the brain of your Linux system. It tells the system how to behave with user to start and how to manage user. Without it, your system wouldn't know how to function properly. Key configuration files in etc. The file contain user data, a user account information, including username, user ID, and home direct. It's essential for user management. For example, if you want to see all the user on your system, you can simply view the file shadow. This file store encrypted user password and it used for validation. It's crucial for maintaining security. Only the root user can access this file, which help protect your sensitive information. FS tab, this file define how disk presentation and other file system are mounted at boot time. It's usual for system startup. If you add a new hard drive, you would update the file, ensure the system recognize it during boot. Host, this file map hostname to IP address, allowing for local hostname resolution. It useful for network configuration. For instant, if you want to access a user by name instead of IP, you can add it detail here. etc network interfaces. This file is used to configure network interfaces in the main-based system, helping to manage network settings. You can specify static IP address or DHCP settings in this file. Navigating and editing file. To peek into this file, we use command like cat, less, or editor like nano. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Editing this file often requires elevated privilege, so don't forget your trusty sudo. Importance of the etc directory. The etc directory is useful for system administration. It allows you to configure user account, manage network settings, and control how the system behaves. Understanding this file in this directory is essential for troubleshooting and system management. If something goes wrong, chances are you will need to look here to find the solution. For example, if user can't log in, checking the etc password, etc shadow file wouldn't be a great start. If there are network issues, you might want to look at network interfaces or host. Best practices: back it up before thinking with configuration file. Always back up. It's your safety net. Use sudo wisely. Super user mode grant you the key to the kingdom. Handle with care, treated lightly. Misplaced character in a configuration file can spell trouble when in doubt. Research or seek guidance. In conclusion, the etc directory isn't just a folder, it's your gateway to Linux system mastery. Armed with knowledge of its inner working, you equipped to navigate and fine-tune your Linux setup with confidence. Let's embrace the power of the etc directory and unlock the full potential of our Linux January. Thank you all for joining me on this exploring of the etc directory in Linux. I'm now open for any question. This is my email. Feel free to send me anything. I left you here some links if you would like to check and get encouraged more in the Linux operating system. I wish you all having a good day. Goodbye.